Jai Mohan ji, welcome all. This episode today is from Shri Kshetra Shegaon, the holy abode of Gajanan Maharaj, and we will begin reading chapter 4. We are reading I Am Mohanji, volume 1. Communions with Mohanji. Mohanji has kind watchful eyes over our progress. He is omnipresent, omniscient and omnipotent. There have been numerous communions where he has guided me, exhibited that he is aware of every vibe of mine, assured that I am under his watch and he is walking with me. I am writing some of these as one-liners where you can read what my activity is and what is Mohanji's corresponding guidance that is reaching me and its effect. The medium of communication here again is the soul. Mohanji's physical presence is nowhere around as such. I believe this is what Mohanji means when he talks about accessing Ridambara Buddhi, which means cosmic awareness. You are now about to get a feel of his grand stature of being omnipresent, omniscient and omnipotent. The first instance, the queue to take away prasad boxes, which means holy food distributed in temples, is long. I cut off the queue and grab a box. Then this is what Mohanji's guidance comes to me. There is no need to snatch, things will come to you. And the effect is, I realized I was stealing. Next instance, I am eating chole bhature in a restaurant. I find the ends too hard to chew and leave them unfinished on my plate. Mohanji, a master asked a sincere devotee, will you eat a bone if I give you? The devotee replies, I shall chew like a dog. Now the effect of this communion, I started to fill gaps in my surrender. I am hesitating to express myself. The clutches of Maya, illusion, strongly felt. We are talking about the third instance of communion. I am hesitating to express myself. The clutches of Maya, which means illusion, strongly felt. The Mohanji's guidance that came is, if you have a desire, fulfill it. You have taken a body for that. And the effect of this communion is, I learned to live for the sake of the life force in me. No more suppressions. I don't have any questions to ask. This is the next instance. I don't have any questions to ask, but I just want to ask something in the pretext of being able to get some moments with Mohanji. Mohanji's guidance, don't just ask questions for the sake of talking to me, because I love you. And the effect of this communion, I deeply felt his love. The next communion is, you have given me certain instructions. This I am telling in my mind. You have given me certain instructions, but I am lacking the courage to fulfill. Will you please forgive me, Mohanji? Mohanji's guidance here is, masters are kind and forgiving, but will you be able to forgive yourself? And the effect of this communion, I became aware of my priorities. The next one, the people who helped me in need were facing backlash from society. Mohanji's guidance, Nandi protects Shiva and his bhaktas. The effect of the communion, I reached out and sorted out the misunderstandings. I am so happy about getting answers. This is the next communion. I am so happy about getting answers, yet feel ashamed to speak about, because it highlights the misframing of a question of mine and could result in tarnishing my image. Mohanji, why are you so ashamed to talk of an experience that transformed you? And the effect is, I learned to express the truth in complete authenticity, as naked as we are. The next communion, I want to give you dakshina, which means a voluntary honorarium given to the priest for conducting the ritual. Mohanji's guidance, you owe me nothing more. You gave me a place in your heart, and that's the best place for me to live. The effect of this communion, I shall not let contamination enter my heart. Fearing approvals from society, I am hesitant to follow his recommendation of having a dedicated small space in my own home for my practices. Mohanji, if you don't take medicine, doctor can't do anything. The effect of the communion, I learned self-respect. the last communion in the chapter. There are many more communions, but the last communion mentioned in the chapter is, I'm slipping back cozily in my comforter. Mohanji, you want to get cozy in your comforter and pillow? The effect is procrastination drops. We will stop here with this chapter 4. Gan Gan Ganata Bote. Gajanan's blessing, Lord Gajanan's blessing from this holy abode of Shegaon to all the listeners, to all the people. Jai Mohanji.